Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying 6th lesson linear inequalities and we are trying to get the algebraic solutions of some of the inequalities. So first, now next example is example number 5. This is solved example in the textbook. We are trying to understand this. Solve 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9. Show the graph of the solutions on number line. Now see how it can be solved. So solution is, we have 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9. We know how to solve. We keep the x term to the left hand side and constant to the right hand side. So for this we eliminate the constant from LHS. So we will get, in order to eliminate 3, we subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. 3 from both sides. So if you are subtracting 3 from both sides, you will note, if you are subtracting 3 from both sides, inequality remains inequality. This is the first rule that we have studied. So this becomes 7x plus 3 minus 3 is less than 5x plus 9 minus 3. So you will get 3 minus 3 is 0. You will get this side 7x is less than 5x plus 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we have to eliminate 5x from right hand side. We keep the x term to the left hand side and constant to the right hand side. So let us eliminate this. To eliminate this, we subtract 5x from both sides. Subtract 5x from both sides. You will get 7x minus 5x is less than 5x minus 5x plus 6. This will become 0. So you will get 2x is less than 6. Now we want only x to the left hand side. So we need to eliminate 2. To eliminate 2, divide both sides of inequality by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So you will get x, 2x divided by 2 is less than 6 divided by 2. So you will get x is less than 3. So we have got x is less than 3. See, the question asked, solve 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. Show the graph of the solutions on number line. So we are going to consider, since it is not given whether x is a natural number, whether it is an integer, or whether it is a real number. Real number includes all the numbers. So we are going to consider x as a real number. It means x is greater than 3. Please note, here x is not equal to 3. X is not equal to 3, so it will have all the numbers which are greater than 3. It can be 3.1, 3.2, 3.101, 3 point anything, to a very large number which can be defined. So please note, x is not equal to 3. It means the solution set is of open bracket 3. Please try to understand, open bracket 3 means 3 is not included, to some defined number. This is undefined number, so we are making a round bracket to this. So it means the solution set is open bracket 3 infinity open bracket completes. So these we need to show on the number line. So let us draw first the number line. You are already studying this from primary classes. 1, 2, 3, 4 positive numbers to the right hand side, negative numbers to the left hand side, and so on. Here x is less than 3. 3 is here. Please note, x is not equal to 3. Since x is not equal to 3, we make a small circle. We make a small bubble. And all the numbers to the left hand side, x is less than 3 means it can have any value which is to the left hand side of 3. So it can have, I am making the line bold for your understanding. So it will have all the values which are less than 3 but which is not equal to 3. When it is not equal to 3, we make a small circle to indicate that 3 is not included, 3 is not equal to x. So graphical representation is something like this. So I am writing here the solution set. The solutions can be represented on number line. On number line in this way. Dear friends, we have next example number 6. Solve 3x minus 4 upon 2 greater than equals to x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. This 4 is not the denominator for this one. Please note. Show the graph of solutions on number line. So let us try to understand, or let us try to solve this question. It is already solved in the text. You try to understand. Here question is 3x minus 4 upon 2 is greater than equal to x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. Now to eliminate 4, to eliminate all the denominators, we will first remove the denominators so it becomes easy to solve. In order to eliminate the denominators, we have to multiply by 4. Since 4 is a positive integer, inequality sign remains as it is. So we can multiply both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. So you will get 4 multiplied by 3x minus 4 upon 2 is greater than equal to 4 multiplied by x plus 1 upon 4 minus 1. So this will be 4. 2 multiplied by 3x minus 4 is greater than equal to. When we multiply 4, first term is this, you will get 4 eliminated, but this will remain. So you will get x plus 1 minus 4 ones are 4. So this becomes, left hand side will be 6x minus 8 is greater than x minus 3. Now we know how to solve. We keep x terms to the left hand side and constant terms to the right hand side. So for this we will eliminate this negative 8. To eliminate negative 8 we add 8 to both sides. So add 8 to both sides. You will get 6x minus 8 plus 8 is greater than equal to x minus 3 plus 8. So this will be 6x is greater than equal to x plus 5. Watch carefully. Negative 3 plus 8 is plus 5. Now we need to eliminate x. So subtract 5x from both sides. Subtract x from both sides. From both sides. Since x is a real number, it is not mentioned anywhere in the question whether it is a natural number, whether it is an integer. So we consider it as a real number. Real number includes all natural numbers, integers. So we consider x as real number. And if we are subtracting, then it means inequality remains same. So you will get 6x minus x is greater than equal to x minus x plus 5. So we will get 5x is greater than equal to 5. Now please note, we have got 5x is greater than, this becomes 0, 6x minus x is 5x is greater than 5. In order to, now we need only x to the left hand side. So to eliminate 5 from left hand side, we divide by 5. Divide both sides of equation by 5. You will get 5x upon 5 is greater than equal to 5 upon 5. So this becomes 5 is, you will get x is greater than equal to 1. Now we know if x is greater than 1, then the solution set is x is greater than equal to 1 means it will have all the values including 1 and greater than 1. So if 1 is included, please note it is equal to 1 and all values greater than 1. X is greater than 1 means square bracket 1, 2, very large number, which is, since this infinity is not defined number, we exclude it by making a round bracket. Here you can notice this can be written as 1 is less than equal to x, means x is greater than equal to 1. So x will have all the values from 1 to all. Now if you want to represent this on number line, first let's draw the number line. We know positive integers are plotted to the right hand side and negative integers to the left hand side. X is having all the values right from 1 to very large number. Please note, here x is equal to 1. So we make a circle, but it is bold. Please note here, x is equal to 1. It is not a ring, it is not a bubble. So here x will have all the values right from 1 to a very large number. So the graphical representation is shown in figure. The graphical representation of solution set is as shown in figure.